In this activity, you are going to be looking for the superficial muscles and some common arms and leg muscles. So on the previous video, I talked about where they are. We have the pectoralis major, and you have to say pectoralis major on the lab exam. You have the rectus abdominis, and you have to say rectus abdominis on the lab exam. We have the external oblique going like this. We have the serratus anterior. The latissimus dorsi is sneaking around. You have the biceps brachii anterior, triceps brachii posterior, and deltoid. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to an external web page, and you're going to mouse over to identify the muscles. So they have numbers, and then in the lab book, you're going to just next to these or down here write what those numbers are. So you've done that activity before. I just don't have a nice table for you to do that. Then we have this picture. I want you to color it in different colors for each muscle and label them what they are. Then repeat for the back. So the back, we have the trapezius, the gluteus maximus. We have the latissimus dorsi going underneath the arm. We have the infraspinatus. We have the teres major. There's the triceps. So again, you're going to go to that external web page. Here's that external web page. And you moused over the muscles. Find them again. They're not all there. Again, write them somewhere here. You could put them next to the muscles that they're not all there, like the leg muscles weren't there. Then color, fill in. Thank you. Have a good day.